Okay, let us discussing about the chapter differentiation. From the differentiation topic, maximum we will get 4 marks. For total topic, we will get 4 marks. Expecting maximum 4 marks. Expectations. Okay, let us go with our problems. In differentiation, we must learn formulas at the first. Okay, remember. Okay, now if x equals to a into t plus sin t, y equals to a into 1 minus cos t, then dx by dy equals to cot p. Then what about p? T 2t t by 2 minus t square. Okay, now the function in t's here also t's. Here x comma t, it is a y comma t function, but we need in x comma y. So that's why in the place of dx by dy equals to, shall I write like this, dx by dt by dy by dt. So definitely we need what? Dx by dt. Then what about dx by dt? Now I am writing directly with respect to the t, the function with respect to the t, dx by dt equals to a into, now it is nothing but 1 plus differentiation of sin is a cos t. Okay, over a into 1 plus cos t by, then what about this? Dy by dt, here also a into constant, that is a constant, 1 is a 0, so cos t is a minus sin t. So a into 1 a, it is a a, so plus a into cos t is a cos t, but here you can observe the options are only cot p, so that's why we need to write in cots. So a get cancelled, actually 1 plus cos t equals to 2 cos square t by 2, 2 cos square t by 2 by sin t in t by 2s, 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Okay, 1 cos get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Now cos by sin is a cot t by 2. So in the place of p equals what? T by 2 is the third option. Okay, let us go with the second one. If 2x square minus 3xy plus y square plus x plus 2y minus 8 equals 0, then find dy by dx. Then which one is a function? Actually this can be done by taking like this. Let observe dy by dx equals to minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. Okay, remember this formula. Okay, now this one is a function, f equals to given function, it is nothing but f. Okay, then let do dou f by dou x with respect to x. With respect to x is it is a 4 minus of 4x minus with respect to x, y is as it is constant, 3y plus 2, it is a 0 plus 1 plus 0 minus 0. Okay, now with respect to the y, now denominator is a 0 minus x is a constant, 3x plus 2y plus 0 plus 2 minus 0. Okay, minus of plus 3y minus 4x minus 1 by, now it is nothing but 2y minus 3x plus 2. Okay, it is the first option. Okay, okay, let us do more problems. Here dy by dx of x tan x power tan x equals to, now given function, given options. Now it is like d by dx of f of x whole power g of x. So applying the formula, f of x whole power g of x into, here g of x into 1 by f of x f dash of x plus, now here g of x is, so here g dash of x. and log f of x. Okay, now we can apply this formula. Just observe f of x whole power g of x as it is in all. Okay, and then g of x is numerator, so tan x is in numerator only in two options, so these two are our right options. Okay, but now 1 by f of x, so 1 by x also here, f dash x differentiation of x is a 1. Okay, leave that. Now what about this g dash x, tan x differentiation should be secant square sec square over log f of x. Log f of x should be log x, so that is a plus, so this is wrong. Our option is first option. Okay, now next one, the derivative of y equals to 1 minus x equal into 2 minus x into 3 minus x so on n minus x 8. So let us do the differentiation of y. dy by dx equals to, we know we have number of functions are there, so first of all we can doing first one. Now remaining are as it is, yes or no? Okay, now in first term the first one differentiation is a minus 1. Now remaining are as it is, yes or no? Now in second term in second term second one derivative is a 1 minus x into what, 2 minus x. Here 2 minus x should be minus 1. Okay, now 3 minus x into plus. In third term first one is as it is, second one is as it is, third one is a minus 1. Okay, like this, so on up to nth term. Okay, now just observe, we can taking at x equals to 1 only, dy by dx at x equals to 1, then that is a x, if x equals to 1, 1 minus x should be 0. So except to first term all terms are as a 0, yes or no? So except to first term, so minus 1, now it is nothing but x equals 1, it is a 2, it is a 3, now it is a n minus 1. So remaining all are zeros, yes or no? Okay, so n minus 1 2 up to 1, the product of all n minus 1 terms should be n minus 1 whole factorial. So minus n minus 1 into n minus 1 whole factorial. Okay, this is our right option. Okay, let us do more. If y equals to under root a power 3x plus 1, under root a power 3x plus 1, under root a power 3x plus 1 plus so on infinity. Okay, then dy by dx equals to what? Okay, these are options. This type of problems, for this type of problems we have some formulas. Suppose y equals to under root nth root of under root f of x plus nth root of under root f of x plus so on plus nth root of under root f of x plus so on infinity equals to, here we have one formula, f dash of x by n into y power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay, when is the dy by dx equals to, okay, so at the same time we have n equals to 2, square means 2, yes or no? So now y equals to, suppose under root direct f of x plus under root to f of x plus so on equals to, then dy by dx equals to f dash of x by 2y minus 1, yes or no? N equals 2y power 1 minus 1. Okay, let us apply this one. F dash of x equals to, simply f of x equals what? F of x equals to a power 3x plus 1, then f dash of x equals to 3x a power 3x plus 1 as it is. A power x differentiation is a power x differentiation is a power x log a, yes or no? So here also a power x, a power 3x plus 1, same like this, into log a power 3x plus 1, sorry, log a a power 3x plus 1 log a. So f dash x, numerator is over. Then what about this? Then 2y minus 1 equals to 2 into y. 2 into y, as it is 2y plus 1, 2y minus 1. Yes or no? Okay, there is nothing to do about y. Okay, 2y minus 1. F dash x equals to a power 3x plus 1 log a. Now in this, which one? A power 3x plus 1 log a by 2y minus 1. Okay, is there an option? Yes, we have one more. Because of f of x equals this one, then what about this? Actually, you can doing this one, 3x plus 1 is a 3. So our option, correct option is second one. Okay, let us do next one. D by dx of cot inverse under root 1 plus x minus of 1 minus x by 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x equals to. Just here put x equals to cos 2 theta. Okay, put x equals to cos 2 theta. Then it one becomes as a, the function becomes as a d by dx of, actually it is a cot inverse. Okay, let's simplify here. Now it is 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 1 minus cos 2 theta by under root 1 plus cos 2 theta minus under root cos 2 theta. Okay, now these are as it is. Now it is nothing but 2 root 2 cos theta. After getting, it is a root 2 cos theta because of 2 cos square theta now. So that's why root 2 cos theta minus here 2 sin square theta. So sin theta, root 2 common. Here also root 2 cos theta plus sin theta. Here plus, there minus. Okay, root 2 get cancelled. Now what about this? Actually it is a d by dx of cot inverse. Now actually it is a tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 minus theta. Tan pi by 4 minus theta is a cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, now it is a cot pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, in cots, cot get cancelled. Okay, now pi by 4, differentiation of pi by 4 is a 0. Then d theta by dx. Now then what about theta? Theta equals what? 2 theta equals to cos inverse x. Then theta equals to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Okay, then d theta by dx equals to 1 by 2 cos inverse x, differentiation is a minus 1 by under root 1 minus x. Okay, then which option? Second option. Okay, the problem is, if y equals to x by a plus x by b plus x by a plus x by b plus so on like infinity. Okay, then dy by dx equals to, in this option, which one? Okay, these are repeated functions. For this repeated function we can saying y, then which one equals to y? Let's say this one equals to y, because of y equals what? X by a plus x by b plus something. Yes or no? Here also same like that function, repeated function. Repeated function is here. So then put that one equals to a plus x by b plus y. Okay, let's simplification and also finding dy by dx. Okay, first of all simplification, then y equals to x by, now it is a b plus y is a LCM. Now ab plus ay plus x. Okay, then x equals to, it is nothing but x bx plus xy by ab plus ay plus x. Multiply here, aby plus ay square plus xy equals to bx plus xy get cancelled. Now differentiating on both sides with respect to x. Now it is the aby1. Okay, now it is a 2ay1 plus equals to, it is a 0, equals to b. Okay, so simplification, y1, which one common here? Y and a, y1 is common, so b plus 2y, okay, equals to b. Then y1 equals to b by a into 2y plus b. Okay, y1 equals to b by a into 2y plus b. Okay, second option is correct. y1 is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, now last one. Now here also derivating with respect to x on both sides, then we will get cos of x plus y, again it is a y1 equals to sin differentiation is a cos x plus y, differentiation is a not only y1, 1 plus y1. Okay, now here 1 by x plus y, 1 by x plus y into 1 plus y1 here. Okay, now clearly we know the same function on both sides, actually these are cancelled. The cancelled function is always equals to 0. Suppose it is bring this side, then it is a common. Now remaining function is no need, so that's why this one equals 0, yes or no. Then y1 equals to minus 1. Okay, dy by dx equals to what? Minus 1. Okay. If you like this video, please share it. Okay, and also comment on my comment box. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, now remaining problems of differentiation we will discuss in next video. Those are also very important problems. Okay.